How can you simplify your sales process if you're using Pipedrive as your CRM and Docusign for your electronic signature needs? That's exactly what I want to talk about in this video. And it's not that simple, because simplifying a sales process means taking into account how you're going to quote customers, create the proposal, get that proposal signed, and then invoice that client at some point, collect the payment, and then start onboarding the customer, fulfill whatever service the customer has purchased. Even though it doesn't come down to just Docusign and Pipedrive, there are three main ways you can integrate Docusign with your Pipedrive account. And in this video, we're going to explore those three methods because they all have pros and cons. The first method is the Docusign for Pipedrive integration, which you can download directly on the Pipedrive app marketplace and just get this one. But since this integration comes with a lot of limitations, we'll also cover what is different if you use the Docusign on Pipedrive paid integration. And if none of those two out-of-the-box integrations cover your feature needs, then we'll also talk about how a custom integration between Pipedrive and Docusign can help you fulfill all the requirements that your organization may have. So let's just start with the option one, which is the standard Docusign for Pipedrive integration. And before I forget, if we haven't met before, my name is Sofiane Saoudi. Hi, I used to be a Docusign employee back in 2019. I was implementing Docusign solutions for lots of different organizations. And since 2020, I've decided to build Solution Consulting, an agency that helps organizations drowning in lots of paperwork and manual repetitive tasks automate their sales process using CRM integrations, using Docusign and other e-sign products. If your team is spending too much time on paperwork when closing deal, you can automate most of this if you learn how to set up automations correctly. And it comes down to learning how to map out your workflow and then learning how to use Docusign or other e-sign products, building your templates, and then integrating those templates into all the apps that you use every day so that you can automate the workflow fully. And you can absolutely do this on your own or by learning through those YouTube videos. But if you don't have the time or energy, then we can help you with this. And you can book a strategy session using the link just down below. We'll just review your current process and help you strategize how to go from where you are to where you want to be. But if you want to do this on your own, learn how automation works, I simply recommend you download our free Docusign Automation Mastery Cheat Sheet using the link just down below. It will help you get started with Docusign automation on the right foot. But for now, let's go back to learning how we can simplify our sales process using Pipedrive and Docusign integration. This one is the most basic option. As you can see here, all the steps are in red. Red means that they have to be done manually by a human. You cannot automate them. And as you can see, I would say 90% of all the steps are non-automated. So let's just say that you have a deal here with ABC Capital. We've got two products that we're selling, $16,000. I'm not sure why it's in euros here, but you cannot then use that information to create a document using a Docusign template. That is the biggest problem. You have to create your document outside of Pipedrive because you cannot pass your Pipedrive data inside of one of your Docusign templates. Unfortunately, that integration only helps you upload the document and request signatures quickly, but you have to take care of creating a document on your own. This means that you'll either have to create your document using Google Docs, Microsoft Word, any other quoting or mechanism that you might be using. So you're gonna have to copy paste information from Pipedrive inside of your document or find a way to generate your document. You'll be able to upload it into Docusign by importing the document first inside of your Pipedrive deal, exactly the way that I'm doing it now. And then once you've done that, then you can create a Docusign envelope. So imagine that this proposal template was filled out. You click on generate envelope, and then Docusign will ask you to enter the recipient information. You still have to drag and drop your fields for all my signers. And so you're not saving a huge amount of time with this integration at all. If you do send the document for signature, then you will be able to track the signing status of the recipients directly from within Pipedrive. I guess that's something that's automated. But once the documents will be signed, you will need to attach them yourself manually back inside of Pipedrive, and you will need to rename them, and then you'll have to update the Pipedrive fields. So if you were collecting information and not just signatures on that proposal, such as maybe the payment method your customer wishes to use or their address, that information will not make its way back inside of the Pipedrive deal automatically. You will have to do this manually yourself. So that's for the standard Docusign for Pipedrive integration. That's the most basic one. It doesn't do a lot of things. And I forgot to mention that this integration only works for static documents. So if you have very simple document templates, so for example, this NDA here, you can see that the information that needs to merge on the document has enough space for the data to be pulled from Pipedrive and added to the document manually or automatically, doesn't matter. Now let's take a look at the next integration, the Docusign on Pipedrive, which you can purchase for I think $17 per month. You can get it from the app marketplace here and search for Docusign and click on Docusign on Pipedrive. So now this is not built by Docusign or by Pipedrive, it's built by a company called Easy CRM, and they've tried to make the Docusign, the standard Docusign for Pipedrive integration better. Now, is it really better? In my opinion, it's definitely better than this sort of rubbish first free integration that Docusign and Pipedrive have collaboratively put together, but it's not helping you achieve full automation either. The main difference is that here we can choose a template and we can pass data from Pipedrive inside of our Docusign template, as opposed to having to copy paste information from Pipedrive inside of the Docusign fields. But you're still going to have to do a lot of other manual steps. So if we go back to our Pipedrive deal here, I click on Create Envelope, and here we'll choose a template. And so here we cannot generate Word-based documents. We cannot create documents that have a complex layout like we have with this proposal, where maybe you want to add a certain number of products in a table where you have the total deal amount that gets updated and more rows added to the table automatically based on the number of products that's inside of your Pipedrive deal. So I'm just going to show you an example with this very simple NDA where we just want to merge the organization's name in here and nothing else. And then we just want them to sign at the bottom here. So we already have our template inside of our Docusign account. So what I can do is simply map the name of the field here. So my data label, I've just called it company name, and this matches what this Docusign on Pipedrive integration expects in order to pass data from Pipedrive to Docusign. It's honestly very complicated. I didn't find it easy at all, but at least you can kind of understand how it works. So we're back inside of Pipedrive here, and now on my Docusign on Pipedrive widget, I'm going to choose my template. And so my template inside of Docusign is called NDA for vendors. So that's the template I'm going to choose here. And here for customer role, I have to go inside of my template and I have to copy the name of my recipient placeholder, which I don't understand why I need to do that. I don't think it's very, I don't think it's great at all, but anyway, it still works. So I'm going to click on create. This is now creating a Docusign envelope in a draft state, which is going to allow me to check first that the data is merging correctly before I click send. And so here, if I click continue, I also have my email address for my recipient that's being pulled from Pipedrive, which is great. I'm going to click on continue, and then I should be able to see ABC Capital in the name of the organization in my field. And that's the case that is here. If I click send, same thing, I will be able to track the status of my Docusign envelope directly from here. So that's helpful, yes. But again, it's very, very limited, because if we look at it, we're not able to create complex documents, and most sales contracts and proposals are complex. We have tables. Sometimes you might want to add a table for a specific type of product that you're selling, or you might want to add a specific portion or section of text, a legal a paragraph based on where the customer is based in, or the purchases. And so that's something you cannot do because it's not powerful enough to do that. And you cannot leverage the Smart Docs for Pipedrive module to first create your more complex document and then import it inside of your Docusign on Pipedrive integration module, because you cannot map that document to a Docusign template that's going to keep the document you have created inside of your Smart Docs and then map it to a Docusign template. Why is it so important to be able to map to a Docusign template? Because your Docusign template contains the workflow. Also, it contains fields that you might want to use to retrieve information, and you can also use your Docusign template to collect payment during the signing process. So that's essentially the second method, the Docusign on Pipedrive integration. I don't think it's a bad product if you have very simple needs and you don't mind doing a lot of manual steps. You can see a lot of steps are still manual. Might be for you. Definitely not for us, because we want to automate everything. It's also about the amount of time that you're going to save on training new staff members on a procedure. So now let me show you how the custom integration between Docusign and Pipedrive can help you automate the whole process. So if we go back to our ABC deals here, we can see that we have a section here called Docusign Custom Integration. Now, how did I set this up? You simply go to your Pipedrive account in company settings, and then you just need to create a bunch of fields. And so I've created a group of fields, which I've called Docusign Custom Integration. And in this group of fields, I've created 4 main fields: the envelope status, the create draft contract button, which is a drop-down menu. You will see how it works. This is what's going to trigger the envelope to be created. A field to hold the envelope ID so that we can track which envelope we've just created for that deal. And then another field to open the envelope. And once you've created those 4 fields, you're basically ready to create your custom integration between Pipedrive and Docusign. You could be using code, but at Docusign, we like to use no-code tools because we can build integrations and automations faster, and they don't require any coding knowledge, so our clients can, in the future, update, make changes much more easily, rather than if we built the whole thing using code. And so what we like to use is a software called make.com. You can also use zapier.com if you want, but we really like make.com because, as you can see, it's visual. It shows you step by step what is meant to happen. And essentially what is happening is the following. So let's go back to our deal. Let's just say that we're going to add another product, this SLA, and this is going to be $50,000. We're going to save this. So this is now $66,000. We don't want to have to create any documents manually, right? And so now I just go to my Docusign custom integration, and then in my create draft envelope, I'm simply going to click on create and click save. What this is going to do, it's going to send a signal to our integration platform, which is make.com. And as you can see, the steps as I'm talking are being performed. And now the document is being generated at this time. So now if I go here, my envelope status now says draft created. If I click on this URL, it brings me to the draft envelope, because we don't want to send the envelope directly to our customer. We first want to make sure that everything merges correctly. And so we can see here the total amount that is correct. And again, this is in euros. I haven't spent enough time polishing and fixing the currency fields, but you can see the power of the template because I didn't have to manually copy any information from Pipedrive inside of my Word template. Everything was merged absolutely automatically, and the document looks great. Then I'm just going to click on send now, and that's it. I don't need to do anything else. Now we have a second automation As soon as it detects that the envelope has changed from draft to sent, then it's going to update my envelope status here from draft created to sent. And so now our envelope has been sent. If I open my inbox, then I should be able to see my test document, and here it is. Now we're going to sign acting as ABC Capital. And now I have a question. How would you like to pay? Let's just say I want to pay by wire transfer. Okay, I'm going to click on finish. My envelope status in my deal still says sent because I haven't, because it hasn't picked up the fact that the envelope status has changed yet. But if I wait long enough, this is going to change from sent to completed, and a couple things will happen. The document is now being downloaded from Docusign, and then the document is being uploaded to Pipedrive, and then my deal has been updated. So let's go back to Pipedrive. Here my envelope status says completed, and we can see that the payment option says wire transfer. And this is very powerful because the next stage really would be for the sales rep or for the accounts receivable team to create the invoice. But you might need to know what's the payment status, what's the payment option that the customer wants to use before creating the invoice, in case you want to add payment card fees, for example. You could ask any information to be entered by the customer in the Docusign form, and that information will be populated anywhere you want. Next thing that happens is that we also have the signed PDF attached to the deal, and it says signed. So the sales reps don't have to manually download the document from Docusign, rename it, upload it to the deal, and here it is. You can see the document is signed and it's attached to the deal. Another thing that we could automate is to change the stage of the deal automatically, which I haven't done for this demo, but we could mark the deal as closed won if the proposal has been signed, or maybe we just want to wait for the proposal to be paid and not just won. And so that brings me to the last thing that we definitely want to automate in the future, and that we can do. I haven't built it in this demo, but we can. As soon as my document has been signed, my PDF has been attached to the deal, and the PDF has been renamed, then we've updated the Pipedrive fields with the example of the payment option, and then we can generate the invoice inside of QuickBooks or any other invoicing tool that your organization might be using. And then we can create a project inside of your project management software, whether it's ClickUp, Asana, Trello, Jira, Confluence. And we can also maybe post a message on Slack. We can trigger the sending of an email, a welcome email, to kick off onboarding for your customer and ask them to provide further information, which we didn't want to ask in the Docusign envelope because we don't want to overwhelm them. The sky really is the limit there. And so if this is something that your organization is wanting to automate and you'd like a team of experts help you with designing this solution and implementing it and automating it, this is exactly what we're here for. So you can just click on the link below to schedule a consultation with me and my team. During the call, we will review your sales process and help you strategize the best solution for your unique needs. I will see you in the next video, and until then, happy signing. Ciao.